Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue Northwest, Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our pre-owned units. This is a 2016 Lexus IS300 luxury package in the atomic silver finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. Some of the features on this vehicle do include bi-xenon HID headlamps with auto-leveling headlamp system, LED daytime running lights, front to rear park assist sensors, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, keyless entry with push start ignition, power windows and door locks, driver seat memory seating, blind spot monitor switch, park assist sensor switch, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, power adjustable front seats, multimedia display with navigation and integrated backup camera, dual zone climate control, premium Lexus audio system, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, drive mode select, power moonroof, black leather interior, and of course comes with the legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more about this vehicle, please visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or call us to schedule a test drive at 403-296-9600.